Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the poem Peace as a spiritual poem written by the great spiritualist and philosopher Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great spiritualist and writer. His writing is philosophical, moral, and religious. That's why the present one poem, having the title Peace, is a spiritual poem written by Swami Vivekananda. As the title of this poem reveals that the poem is solely about peace. Here, the poet describes the sublime nature of peace. He claims that peace is the ultimate need of life. Then the poet claims that peace is the all pervading force. It maintains the harmony needed to energize the human spirit. It is the state of our existence which inspires us to rise above worldly things. It enables us to appreciate real power, joy, beauty, and knowledge. It is the permanent living place of our soul. The truth of these facts is also presented by the poet through the medium of peace. According to the poet, peace comes in might. It is the power which is not power. It is like the light which is in darkness. It is the shade in dazzling light. It is the joy which never spoke. It is the grief which is not felt. It is immortal life which is unlived and eternal death which is unmourned. It is neither joy nor sorrow, but what lies between them. It is neither night nor day, but that which joins them. Then the poet describes the greatness of peace. According to the poet, peace is sweet rest in music. It is a pause in sacred art and silence between speaking. It is the calm of heart between two fits of passion. It is rare beauty and self-reliant love. It is an unsung song and unknown language. It is the death between two lives and lull between two storms. It is also the void. Void means space, where the creation took birth to which it returns. It goes to the teardrop which creates smiling on the face. It is the goal of life. In this way, the peace contains the sublime nature. In this way, the present one poem, having the title Peace, is solely about peace. That's why this present one poem is a spiritual poem, and the here the peace signifies the ultimate need of life. In this way, this present one poem, having the title Peace, as a spiritual poem written by the great Indian poet and philosopher Swami Vivekananda. Thank you.